This one is right.
I look. This one is a cool one, and it can. But why is that trousers on?
Legendary Panther. My class was called Panther in year 3. I'm almost in year 4. But I'm so excited to open this. Oh, he's so cool. Oh wow. Squeeze that, it goes.
Oh wow.
Let's see if it does it on his feet. Big feet. Goo Jit Zu. I think they stand up.
How cool are they? Pops, I think if you squeeze yours, he's got purple lightning in it.
Bob's go like this.
Let's have a look, Bubs. Yeah, squeeze it there, look, and then the bottom. Are you ready?
Oh, light bulb. What have you got in yours?
So,
I think I've got slime.
so Harper's is like a gold slime. What's yours like? What does it feel like?
New jet suits. New jet suits.
MrBeast Goo Jit Zu.
MrBeast GooJitZu.
MrBeast Goo Jit Zu. They're bouncy, they're bouncy, they're bouncy.
And this goes at the back.
Right, shall we open up the other packet then?
Oh yeah, let's go.
It's an experiment to create your swarms. You've got to mix, shake, and then it creates. So I think we need to get 2 balls. What do you think?
Yes, definitely, because if it's an experiment, it could explode.
If it's what?
If it's an experiment,
Yeah,
it
it's
could
like a
go.
volcano. It's like a volcano.
MrBeast is so cool. MrBeast is so cool. He makes some cool toys. He makes some cool toys.
Unscrew the cap and remove the foil. Screw the cap back on.
Pull the cap back on, onto test tube, and open the lid.
Open the lid. Cool.
Add water, filter the line, and watch experiment. Fizz and bubble, 15 seconds.
What did you get, Bubs? Wow, he's cool. And then the other one is... Bubs, you got 2. Let's have a look. Oh, he's cool. Go on then, Harps, your turn then. See which ones you got. Oh, that's good.
I got a snake.
A snake one. Let's have a look.
Let's see who he is.
Shake, shake, shake.
I
What have
got
you got?
orange and
You gotta shake him to get him out.
Wait.
Are you ready? Remember to pour him out in there. You can see what you've got. Shake, shake.
I got. It's a funny one.
He's a funny one. He's cool.
Who is this one?
I don't know. We'll have a look in a minute.
Oink oink.
And what's the orange one, Bubs? Wow.
There's a snapper.
It's a snapper. Right, Harper, what have you got then?
That's hard to open.
Yeah.
Wrong way.
Oh. Who's that? MrBeast one and
Scorpion.
a scorpion. Wow, look at them.
There's an orange on the back as well.
Which toy's your favourite?
This one and this one.
This one, because when you squeeze it and it goes onto his foot, it looks like he's got a dodgy foot.
Dodgy foot. Harper, what was your score?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Bobby, what's yours?
9 out of 3.
9 out of 3, so it's better.
Oh yeah.
Please like, subscribe, video. Thank you for watching.
Wow.
Oh, shoulders are going up. Squishy shoulders.
Mr. Big is back. Mr. Big for the back.
Mr. Big Squishy. Mr. Big Squishy is here. Mr. Big Squishy. Mr. Big Squishy.
I'm trying to stand up. I don't know how to walk. Let me walk, feety. Ow, my face. I feel like I've got a flat face. La, la, la. Ow.
Mine is
La,
mental.
la, la. Ow. La, 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 la.
My best friend.
Boing, 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 boing,
Mr.
boing,
Bigfoot.
boing,
Mr. Bigfoot.
boing.
Mr. Big Shoulder. Mr.
Hi.
Hi.
Sorry to bother you. What's here?
Here's my baby. And I got my wino. Because he's my best one. Ah, my
I
toy.
can't pick you up, kids. Who wants a pick up? Me. Okay.
Who wants a pick up?
I'll pick you up. I'll pick you up. You're a mini me.
Oh, that one. Why? Mr. Smash Shoulder.
No, stay away. Stay away.
I got green glass.
I need to
Smash
make,
boy.
I need to make my fist bigger.
Mr. Squishy Man.
Oh, I just made his fist bigger.
It's got lots of like the electric, lots of electric.
Daddy, I just found out a way to make his muscles bigger. Oh, yeah, my muscles are big. No one can stop me. I'm legendary Panther. Oh,
I am Mr. Beast. We are Mr. Beast toys,
yeah, we are Mr. Beast.
and I got my
Muscles make everything right.
Woo! Mr. Beast.